All of the stitch die sublimation printers come with a critical feature that HP has developed for all of our technology across all of our portfolios, and that is PrintOS. What is PrintOS? PrintOS, think of it as a unifying software on the cloud that links together all of our software that supports your printers. For example, all of your pricing and configuration can be linked to PrintOS. The service and the maintenance and the regular scheduled routines, that's part of PrintOS. The media locator, that's part of PrintOS. Our knowledge center and all the information that we have about our printers, all the information about applications, that can link from the PrintOS. Automatic monitoring and remote monitoring through your phone, for example, PrintOS. Any essential information about the printer, about the operation of fleets of printers, about your costing, about your job sourcing, about applications, about paper, about color, any video support, that can all link through a single landing site called PrintOS. What we're trying to do is make it very easy for you, the customer, to be able to have a machine or a fleet of machines or a diverse set of machines, like a latex flatbed and die sublimation and a latex roll-to-roll, so that you can integrate them all together from a single point of contact, and then also we can send messages to help you to be aware that, for example, a maintenance cycle is coming up for you. All of that stuff comes under PrintOS, and it's something HP has developed with our fantastic security suite to ensure that that information is protected. That's what PrintOS is.